Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'll be replacing the fog lights on the 10th gen Honda Civic with this Sealight S2 LED bulbs. Alright, so here is the complete LED bulb. As you can see, this one does not have an external LED driver. Everything is built inside right here. And so it can fit into many different applications, such as the fog light or some housing that requires a dust cover. So you don't have a box, something like this that you got to deal with. All right. Now this is using CSP LED chip. The color is 6000K, so it's going to be pure white. There is a fan in the back, so there might be some fan noise. This is rated at 12,000 RPM to keep the LEDs cool. Everything is aluminum. O-ring, of course, is rubber. And it's straight plug and play. And here is the stock halogen bulb that I'm going to be replacing. So this right here is pretty much the same length as far as where the filaments are. But this LED is going to produce the white light and will be much brighter compared to this halogen H8 bulb. And as you can see, the connector in the back where it connects to the harness is exactly the same. So it's going to be 100% plug and play. Now, I was using their previous version. Here is the same company Sealight. This was installed on the 2018 Honda Civic 3 years ago. This still works today, but as you can see, it does have a external LED driver box right here that's connected to the plug. It's not as big as some other competitor ones, but still this particular one has everything built inside, so it's a little bit more smaller compared to this one. But as far as the design and everything, it looks pretty much the same. All right. Now inside the package, they do provide you with gloves and also a warranty card and instructions. Now if you have small hands, by all means use this, but as you can see, it's no way it's going to fit in my hand, so I'm not going to use it. But all they want you to do is be careful not to touch that LED chip that's in the bulb. You can go ahead and grab anything else with your bare hand, but don't touch that LED that's right there. Now I have here a sample fog light assembly, and as you can see, there is a halogen bulb in there. Now if you turn it back, there's going to be this bulb. So what you need to do is go ahead and turn this counterclockwise to remove the bulb. And you see there are those cutouts, 1, 2, and 3. And you see on the bulb itself, there's all those tabs as well. So you just got to line that up in here like so, and then turn it clockwise 90 degrees to lock it in place so that the wire should be facing straight down once you locked it completely. And in the front, if you see the diode, it's facing side to side. And so that is installed correctly right there. Now you don't need to remove this fog light assembly to change the bulb. I'm just showing you so that it's easier to see in this video of how you're supposed to install this, okay? Again, it's the same thing as changing a stock halogen bulb. Only thing is, instead of the plug being here, it's right here, and you just plug this to the stock factory wire harness. All right, so this is the vehicle that I'm going to be installing, the Sealight LED. This right here is the 2021 Honda Civic Sport Touring. It comes with factory LED headlights, so there's no LEDs that I need to install, but it does come with stock halogen fogs. So I was first thinking of changing it to the OEM LED fog light, but I'm going to go ahead and try this out since I tried the other Sealight and it's been working well for the past 3 years on the previous Civic that I had. And so I'm going to go ahead and install this updated version on this vehicle. All right, on this video, I'm not going to show you a step-by-step instructions on how to change out these fog light because I do already have a very detailed step-by-step instructions on how to change this fog light bulb on the 10th gen Honda Civic on my YouTube channel. And so I'll link it in the card above and also in the video description below. And also, one of the questions that I had in that video was people were asking me if you need to jack up the vehicle in order to change it out, because there were very low clearance space in between the ground and also the fog light. And the answer is no. On that video, I did not jack up the vehicle. As long as your car is stock, you should still have plenty of room. It is a little bit tight down here, but still you can go ahead and change it out without jacking up the vehicle. All right, so here is a quick comparison between the stock fog light versus the new LED fogs. So this right here is the stock fogs, and here is the Sealight LED in the same fog light housing. As you can see, the color is white and it's very bright. All right, so it's complete. Both fog lights are LEDs now. It matches the rest of the lights for the touring headlights. Okay, so I'll have the product link in the description below. Go check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.